There I am right there. Here I am again. And here I am again. I'm about to explain the situation. I'm up this morning and I just wanted to tell you that this is the lifesaver I got from ultrasavers.com. It's a custom built lifesaver from hand up the steel rod. It's run by three AAA batteries. It's an exact replica of a lifesaver. I'm getting another one what looks like from the Attack of Clones. I'll be posting that on my thumbnail today. That lifesaver is awesome. I'll be posting a thumbnail when I get it off the internet. And you'll see that it's, they're real handy. They look real. They're props. And they turn off. So that's it with that. I'm going to explain today. I'm going to the Diamond Classic in Boca Raton, Florida this morning. Then I'm seeing a friend doing a workout video tomorrow. I have a video with these two fitness chicks. And I got dreamy contact eyes, so red contacts for my demon eyes. I haven't opened them yet, but I'm going to be putting those in to the Comic-Con in July 15th. And I want to smoke a cigar. I love these cigars. I have a little bit left of the cigar. It's a Dominican Republic, so we're going to smoke this and talk about what we're going to talk about. So let's talk, and I don't know how to light this thing, so let's see how to light this. How do you light this thing? So I'm lighting the cigar. I'm going to smoke in this thing. The rest of it, when we talk. So, basically, the whole situation, I've dropped down to 195 in my contest. I got this necklace, as you can see, in this new watch. So I'm all blinged out with sunglasses. This morning, we're going to be cooking eggs with vegetables. And, we're gonna be cancering. We're gonna be shooting with these two hot Canadian chicks tomorrow. And today I'm going to the show. Tomorrow I have to work from, unfortunately, 6 to 11, which sucks. I'm going to LA July 4th against Average Rick, so I'll be down there on the 2nd of July, 7th, competing in the southern states. Then the Rubies on the 28th and 9th. They changed the whole platform. I'll be back, baby. Hasta la vista. With my American piss cap and my sunglasses. All blinged out. It's sick. It's piss. It's fishy-anoing. So, I'm going to be smoking this whole cigar. I got these dreamy contacts with the red eyes. They're actually demon eyes. See the dreamy eyes? These are cute. These are Dominican Republic cigars. Rare estate, reserve. And I'm smoking them. 15, 20 bucks cigars. Good cigar. I mean, I love cigars. I'm a cigar collector. I'll even show you my whole box of cigars. I'll go get those after and show you those. I got a ton of cigars. Like, literally, I got tons and tons of cigars. Like, I'm a big collector when it comes to cigars. And all I can say is, I love cigars. I love bling. Bling's my thing. I'm going to the show filming that today. Filming a workout video, getting back on the grind. I'm just going to enjoy the cigar. Today, I'm going to, so I'm going to do some crazy stuff with the girls tomorrow. Well, you'll see. So I'm about to show you what kind of cologne I wear and do a review. This is the kind of cologne I have, Caribbean Joe. I wear a Caribbean Joe, Dakar Noir. And I'm about to show you other stuff, my bling. This is a Tyrick watch. It's real nice. It's gold. It's like a $150 watch. I got this bling, which was $50. A Movement, which is like a $150 watch. Another Tyrick from the UK. You got a lot of watches. Invicta, bling bling. Love Invictas. Star Wars Darth Vader watch. A bling bling Rolex. Fake one though. It's not real. Good replica. A Bouvier. Nice Bouvier watch. Got a lot of watches. I'm a watch collector. This is real diamond iced out $800 watch. Real iced out. Fake Rolex. Just a replica. And then I got more watches. I got this Tyrick gold. Another Tyrick. I got quite a watch collection of watches. Just about to explain, here's my cigar collection. Pulling out the guns. This is a Dominican Republic. Dominican Republic Cohiba. Monte Cristo. Dominican Republic. Cuban. $1,500 cigars. This is a smash up cigar, but a nice Cuban. Couple Dominican Republic, Dominican, Cuban, Dominican, and this one's a nice frickin' $80 Dominican Republic. I mean, I'm a cigar connoisseur. When it comes to cigars, I love my cigars. I like smoking them. Definitely into that, a collection of cigars. I love collecting cigars. Big collector, always been. Watches, cigars, glasses. You know, anything with goes. I'm a collector, and I love cigars. I have quite a collection for a guy who's just in this, and watches up the ass. So, that's my collection. Just so you know, fans, I'm into the bling. And I'm going to get my trophies right now and show you all those trophies I've won. All the different trophies I've accomplished will be back. And the Speedos I wear. Watches, cigars. So as you know, I have a complete Star Wars DVD collection. Star Wars, all the originals. Force Awakens, and the Rogue One. I'm going to get the new one on DVD. So those are those. And I'll show you my video game collection. In terms of video games, I have Battlefront 1, 2017 WrestleMania, Battlefront 2, Legos, and Grand Theft Auto. In terms of trophies, I've won a lot of trophies in bodybuilding. I've accomplished a lot. I won this 2015 NPC Ruby back in 2015, third place. Very proud of that. Light heavyweight. I won this 2017 Ruby Novice, second place. Sunshine State, 5th place, light heavyweight. I won a first place trophy in the overall. Lord Vader, my best ever. Fucking beautiful trophy. 5th place, heavyweight. Moved up a weight class. And this old trophy is a middleweight. 2010, my first trophy. So, and then I won second a ribbon, 2nd place Deerfield, 2012. So I've accomplished a lot, done a lot. I just want to let you know, fans, that I want to show you something really cool I never used, but it's really cool. These Star Wars earphones I never actually use, but they're really cool for my video games. They're very cool. They're Rebel Alliance. And I'll show you the video, the NPC magazine I read all the time. There it is. And As you can see, this is the newest magazine I've been in, Muscle and Sport, about the Del Rey Misfits and how I became in the Del Rey Misfits. It's way in the back this time, but as I can show you, I wrote this article. I'm in here, see? See, there I am right there in the Muscle Mania. That was this month's. They did an article on me in the Miami Times. See, there I am right there. And I'll show you some pictures of this. This is a regular magazine I was in. There I am right there. Pretty cool. I'm actually in magazines because I'm actually in a lot of magazines, actually. There I am right there. Actually, more than one page. Here I am again. And here I am again. And that's it right there. I'm actually in this magazine. This was spring of 2017. I'll show you. I was in the front, beating all odds. See? Whole article. I was in this magazine, fall of 2017. Star Wars related. It's pretty cool. Look at that. Then I was in summer of 2017. Yep. Read them and weep. Here's all my autographs of fitness people. I've actually met. Skip LaCour was my first friend I actually met. He was my coach at one time. Lou Frigno, who I did a workout video with. Ronnie Coleman, who I did a workout video with. There's Skip. There's Skip. There's a girl I met. Another girl. Aaron Clark. Mark Alvisi. And that's it. So those are basically all the fitness people I met in the fitness industry. Probably the biggest one was Lou Frigno. Yeah, I've really accomplished a lot in the fitness industry, so I'm very proud of that. Very proud of all the magazines I've been in and all the stuff. But I have more stuff to show you, so bear with me. I'm on my backup camera, fans. I wanted to show you this because I had to cut it off. A Star Wars, original Star Wars Attack of the Clones toy they don't even make anymore from 2002. It's about fucking 20 years old almost, this ornament. And this is really rare. This is from 20 years ago. This is a episode 1. I love these. They don't even make these anymore. So collectible, definitely collectible. Got a Star Wars Force Unleashed game and a couple things. I'm gonna take you to my room now. Darth Vader. I have my Millennium Falcon. I have my Star Wars toy. I have original Star Wars poster right there. It's sick, it's piss, it's revolting, it's insulting. I have an original calendar they don't even make anymore from 2005. All the Star Wars posters rolled into one. Calendar from 2005. Computer I use. I'll be back, baby. Hasta la vista.